Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND EDGE speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the speaker not connecting or not pairing or syncing with the app or your other devices, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe everything off of this speaker so that you can just get a fresh start and set it up like it's just coming out of the box. This will do that. It will wipe and restore the factory out of the box settings on it. Now it's really easy to do. All you need to do is access this inner panel here, and you'll see down here there are these two buttons. So the left one is the power button, and on the right is the settings button or the setup button. And all you need to do is press and hold this button for 10 seconds. And if you press and hold it for 10 seconds, it will trigger a factory reset to the default settings. You can release it and then give it about a minute to complete the whole reset, and it will be ready to be set up again like you're setting up a brand new speaker.